Hey folks, Jim Thomas here, Fitness Management and Consulting. I appreciate you being here at the channel today. And if you're new to the channel, if it's your first time here, you're just now finding us, be sure to hit that subscribe button, be sure to hit that like button. Helps us reach more folks and gives us the opportunity to help more folks improve their business across the globe. And if you're looking to learn more information about my company, be sure to check out the links below. I would encourage you to check out the courses link below. The course link is a gym management playbook, and this is really designed, for folks that are entering the industry right now, and for you folks that have kind of survived the industry, so to speak, and we're ready to take that next step. We want to shorten that learning curve. We want to maximize profitability. That's who that gym management playbook is for. And then for you same folks, if you're looking to open facilities, you're looking to expand current facilities, click out the funding link below, to potentially qualify for up to $250,000 in funding with no collateral. So with that said, our topic for you today, it's 5 tips to help you make more gym sales without being annoying. Okay? 5 tips to help you make more gym sales without being annoying. And I know I talked to a lot of folks that are in sales, and this is kind of the thing that holds them back. They're afraid they're going to be irritating to folks. They're afraid they're going to annoy them. Okay, so let's talk about some things. So number 1, answer questions. Answer real questions that people have. There's so much of a tendency to try to avoid the question. Okay, there's such a tendency to want to divert it. What happens, I think, is we get focused on our agenda and we lose sight of the customer's agenda. The customer's agenda, hey, how can I solve this problem? Now, for us, the more we can ask questions, the more we can probe, this is the way we can kind of guide and direct this, but ask real questions and don't be afraid to ask permission. Okay, when you're talking with your customers, but ask real questions, answer real questions, okay, with your customers. Somebody wants to know price, that's a classic, right? And we avoid it. Now, I'm not saying you're going to go overboard and just unload, but make sure we answer the question. Okay, we don't want the customer to walk away irritated. Okay, create conversations, with your customers. And the best way to do that is show an interest in your customer. Show an interest in, hey, are you from here? What kind of work do you do? What do you do in your spare time? What kind of workout programs have you been involved with before? But, if we can show a genuine interest in folks and really create these conversations, this is going to help you sell more without being annoying. Okay? Make sure any content that you put out has value. That's the hope anyway, right? Whatever we put out there, if it's a blog, it's a podcast, it's a video, even if it's ads, marketing materials, make sure it has value, okay? Value on how they can lose weight, get in shape, firm up, tone up, get off medication. Show them how you can solve problems for them. Because at the end of the day, if people aren't responding, if people aren't joining, kind of what they're saying to you is, hey, based on what you're telling me, I just don't think it's worth it. Okay? And so we want to make sure that we're providing value. Always be providing value. Really take a good hard look at that one. Number 4 is you always want to include a call to action. Urgency, a call to action in what we do. You want to give your customer a reason to do it now. Okay? It could be a month-end closeout. Maybe you're closing out a spring special. It's a great reason to do it now. Maybe there's 2 days left. Maybe there's a final day left. But what you don't want to do, don't get hooked on the price discount. Okay? You want authentic calls to action. A great call to action, and this is something that probably everybody could probably do a better job of, is understanding the true cost of not taking action. If I don't join your gym, okay, what is the cost of my inaction? What's the cost of my inaction been so far? Okay, I've been thinking about it for 5 years. I've gained 20 pounds. I'm on medication. I'm in the worst shape of my life. I can't get up a flight of stairs, whatever it might be. That is truly the cost of inaction. What is the further cost of inaction? These are great calls to action. okay, that we want to do. What is that call, that cost of inaction? Because we know what the cost of action is. It's I'm going to have to pay a monthly fee. I'm going to have to show up every day or thereabouts. There's costs there too. But what is the cost of inaction? So when we talk about call to action, we talk about creating urgency, be mindful of the cost of inaction. It doesn't get talked about enough. Okay, and have other things too. Make sure they are authentic. Don't find yourself kind of getting hooked on the discount as that being what you always do. You can do it, but don't make it what you always do. Okay, and then we want to satisfy our customers' needs whenever possible. We want to solve their problem. This is the cornerstone of all this. We want to solve problems, we want to provide solutions, we want to build value. Because at the end of the day, when you look at really any kind of a sale, certainly this one, when value exceeds price, people will buy. We're not leasing them space to come work out. We're not selling them a membership card. We're focused on solutions. We are in the solutions business. So let's solve problems. Let's provide solutions. Let's build value. So 5 tips that can help you improve gym sales without being annoying. If we'll do those things, you will find that people will respond to you. And you can do them not only in the selling process, but the follow-up process, the referral process. This will work kind of at all levels for you. All right. So folks, if you're new here today, please hit that subscribe button. Please hit that like button as well. I appreciate it. And I look forward to seeing y'all in that next video.